This is your news channel reporting from Brantford, Connecticut, February 23rd, 2026. Blizzard in Brantford, Connecticut. The inches of snow, maybe 13 inch in men length, 12, 10 in men length, are the size shoes that they wear. That's what is reported in Brantford, Connecticut. I'm outside trying to shovel snow. But I am so tired right now. Yes, so if you want the correct report on Brantford, Connecticut, please follow your local news channel. This is Lady Crystal reporting from Brantford, Connecticut.